Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to take a look at our 2020 19-foot Montauk center console. This boat's new to inventory, sitting on a galvanized tandem trailer, the swing-away tongue, does have a bimini top, split bow rail so you can walk through it at the beach. This boat does have the backrest, which go in the rod holders. Mercury 150 outboard. Swim platform with a boarding ladder. We'll go up inside and take a quick look. As we enter the 19 Montauk and take a look around, we'll start aft. Has two seats with the backrest that go in the rod holders, or if you choose not to use them. Cup holders, speakers. Does have the flip seat with the live well underneath. It's part of the fishing package. There is tackle storage on the side. This boat does have a Fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF, Marine GPS. Does have the cushions forward. There are two storage lockers. Does have the cooler seat, cup holders, some more rod holders. Thank you for taking a look at our 2020 19-foot Boston Whaler Montauk. Thank you.